Hi everyone, my name is Cameron Smithwick, and in today's speech, I will be talking to you about my favorite hobby, which is cooking. Health and fitness has always been an important part in my life, as I have always participated in many sports. Although, ever since I started competitively running in high school and in college, I found out that nutrition plays a crucial role in your success in the classroom, training, and in races. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced runner, having a balanced diet full of fresh organic produce and meat is key for your bones, heart, brains, hormone, and many more other factors. To the average buyer, conventional and organic food may seem identical. However, organic food is more beneficial to the consumer as well as the environment. Taking a deeper look into this, it is known that conventional food is different from organic food for many reasons. One of which is the farming methods. That includes the use of toxins and pesticides. In an article from the Scientific American by David Biello, it stated that conventional farming uses synthetic chemicals and fertilizers to maximize the outcome of the crop or the set of crops, which are typically genetically modified. This method requires a significant amount of chemical and energy input, so the ecology of the particular landscape could diminish over time. Every year, the Department of Agriculture tests for pesticide residue on a variety of produce. In its latest report, it was shown that more than half of the samples had the residues, with the majority coming in below the EPA or Environmental Protection Agency tolerance levels. Since the goal of conventional agriculture is to maximize the crop yields, environmental health and the biodiversity are not preserved. Thus, the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides used in the farming process for conventional food are detrimental to the consumer, the farmer, the livestock, and the surrounding environments. Another point to back up this claim is that conventional farming's use of chemicals, antibiotics, and other unsafe methods pose many health risks on the consumer itself. When in the conventional food workplace, the efficiency of producing food and the profits being made from the food are placed far ahead of the animal health and the animal welfare. The animals are not treated humanely, and the use of toxic substances to grow conventional crops is one of the main reasons which supports why organic farming produces safer and healthier crops. The quality of organic food is also found to be more nutritious and rewarding over conventional food. One of the main benefits of organic food is that it tastes great and there is a big increase in the nutritional values. A recent study on the benefits of organic food suggests that some organic foods and beverages such as fruits, vegetables, and milk are more nutritious than their non-organic counterparts. Also, there is more evidence that organically grown food generates more nutrients and fewer nitrates. In a review from 400 published papers comparing organic and non-organic foods, the Soil Association certification of the United Kingdom reported that organic crops were higher in essential minerals, phytonutrients, and vitamin C. Also, from a study in 2002 at the University of Missouri, it proves this point further. The chemists were shocked when they found that organically smaller local grown oranges delivered 30% more vitamin C than the larger conventionally grown ones. Thus, this data shows that how organic food is more nutritious when compared to the conventional food. This moves me right into my third point, which is that shopping and cooking for organic and fresh foods is overall a very rewarding experience. Going back to my running story from the beginning of my speech, I decided to take more action in bettering my nutritional habits. At first, I was a little overwhelmed by the many different recipes and cookbooks out there, but I found that one of my favorite runners, Shalane Flanagan, had just come out with her cookbook, Run Fast, Eat Slow. I was becoming more advanced in the kitchen with my skills, so I knew that I needed to get my copy to try the recipes out. And I also have the book right here, and you can see that there are many different recipes shown throughout, as well as descriptions of what each of the different produce can do for your body. Also, another way I am able to express my love for cooking is with the at-home meal service Purple Carrot. The weekly box comes with different breakfast, lunch, and dinner packets that you can make at home in a quick and simple way. And I can't forget to mention that they always taste amazing. Those are just two of the ways that I personally am able to do what I love, and it always makes me learn new things along the way. To the average buyer, organic food may seem identical to the conventional food, although organic food is more beneficial to the consumer and the environment. Personally, my perspective on eating healthy has changed. I happily discovered that food could be indulgent and nourishing at the same time, and I feel stronger and healthier than ever before. So, I challenge you to become more mindful when making these choices as well, one fruit and vegetable at a time.